Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sanchita Flores, 39 years old from the Philippines. I am married, I have three kids, and I am certified caregiver in the Philippines.
How old is your kids?
14, 10, and 8.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have no brothers, but I have three sisters.
And what is your number of the family?
I am the youngest.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I'm working as a caregiver in the Philippines for almost 2 years.
So what are your job duties?
I'm taking care of elderly,
What are the ages of elderly?
80 to 85 years old.
What are your daily routine for them?
I'm taking checking our vital signs, checking the glucose, and
Did you do the light housekeeping?
yes,
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong just to earn money just for my family, for my better future for my family.
Who will take care of your kids when you work there?
My husband.
Okay, what about if you have homesick? How can you avoid it?
I will focus my work.
Okay, and then are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes,
Do you have tattoo on your body?
yes, I have.
Where is your tattoo?
My right arm and my back.
Okay. Can you do the car washing without extra pay?
No.
Can you promise to cut your short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest and helpful and grateful to my employer.
Okay, thank you.